Hey guys, so today I'm going to take you to a place which is famous for Bong cuisine. Yes, you guessed it right. It is Bong Adda Belapur. The interior is absolutely rocking with authentic Bengali designs, and we were here for our baby Jamai.
So this is Jamai Sasthi special. My mom wanted to treat her lovely Jamai in some good fancy restaurant, and we have taken her to the Bong Adda. And let's see what the Jamai orders for the Jamai Sasthi special.
So this is my mom, that means my husband's Sasuma. Hi mom. And this is the Sasurji, that means my dad. Bong Adda had designed special thali for the son-in-law, and here comes the bhetki fish fry, which is well served with kashundi. It was yum. For dinner we had ordered luchi, payesh or kheer, mutton kosha, chicken dak banglo, chola dal and fresh lime soda for the Jamai special. And here comes the Jamai Ador, that means showering love and blessings to the Jamai. And finally want to thank Team Bong Adda, especially the owner Anushuya for clicking these beautiful pictures, the warm welcome and the delicious food at Bong Adda.